Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Again, I'm here for another lecture. Today, we are going to discuss the pancreas. So, now we will see that where is the pancreas? The pancreas is situated behind the stomach. Just you are seeing that above the duodenum, and as in this picture you are seeing its location, okay, just beneath the liver and above the duodenum behind the stomach it is located. So this organ has two functions. It acts as a exocrine gland as well as the endocrine gland. As we all already discussed, that endocrine glands are those glands that are ductless and they secreted their hormones directly into the bloodstream. So the major part of the pancreas is ducted. It's endocrine gland. And the exocrine gland is the major portion of the pancreas is ducted exocrine gland, and this exocrine portion secretes the various enzymes, digestive enzymes that are very important for the digestion of carbohydrate, proteins. So they are just juice contain the enzymes that digest the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The another part, that is the endocrine portion of the pancreas. This second part of the groups contains specialized cells that are known as the pancreatic islets of Langerhans. They are further divided into the three parts. We are not going to discuss that because we are just limited to the hormones that are secreted by this endocrine part. So the endocrine pancreas secretes the hormone that are insulin and glucagon. These two hormones are principally concerned with the control of blood glucose levels. Now we will discuss that how these hormones control the blood glucose level. As we know that glucose influences the liver to release glucose in the blood, and so the blood glucose concentration rises. As we have already discussed कि अगर एक हार्मोन एक काम कर रहा है तो दूसरा उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा वो. So the hormone, that is the glucagon, it increase the blood glucose level. Second complement of the second hormone, that is the insulin, it influences the liver to take excess glucose from the blood, and so the blood glucose concentration falls. So basically glucagon increase and insulin decrease to maintain the blood glucose level.